Hello everybody and welcome on Baby TV. Today we have a special episode with Masha and the Bear Surprise Eggs. First we open the purple one. Purple surprise egg. What do we have here? Here we have SpongeBob. Let's take a look inside the green one. Paw Patrol dogs. Chase. Ruff, ruff, ruff. And here we have Sky. Ruff, 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 ruff. It's Chase, what are you doing? And inside the blue one, this is PJ Mask, Oiland, and Ninjarino, the bad guy. And inside the yellow one, Ninja Turtles. The name of this Ninja Turtle is Leonardo. And the name of this Ninja Turtle is Raffaello. Like the candies. Raffaello. Yummy, yummy. Oh no, no. Yummy, yummy, Raffaello. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time on Baby TV. Bear, help me, Bear.